have a new favorite chicken recipe, and this is the simplest chicken recipe you'll ever find. You can pair it with rice, chapati or ugali. So if you're new here, I'm Scovia and let's get cooking. So first off, I have 2 large onions, 3 large tomatoes. For the spices, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon chicken masala, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a lime or lemon, and 3 cloves of garlic and thumb-sized ginger. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. So today I'm using 1 full chicken, so you'll make sure you wash your chicken and then you'll cut up the chicken in pieces. In your cooking pot, add cooking oil. Add in your onions. Stir on medium heat and let this cook for about 2 minutes or until soft. Add in ginger and garlic. Stir and let it cook until it's fragrant. To this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon chicken masala, paprika and turmeric, 1 seasoning cube, tomatoes, cover and let the tomatoes cook until soft. Cover and let the tomatoes cook on medium-low flame so that they can cook through. So my tomatoes are well cooked, as you can see. You can also use your spatula to crush the tomatoes. So now it's time to add my chicken. So as I've said, this is 1 whole chicken. So now I'm going to turn the flame on medium-high. Then I'm going to stir and cover the chicken with my sauce. The chicken is already looking delicious and it's not even cooked through. So I'm going to adjust the seasoning and then I'm going to add water and simmer for around 20 minutes on low. So I'll add about half a teaspoon of salt. And then I'll squeeze my lime. So I'll use my hands to catch the seeds. And then I'll stir. I'll add about 1 cup of water just to submerge the chicken, not too much. Then I'm going to cover this and let it simmer on low for 20 minutes. So now I'll be checking up my chicken. My chicken is looking amazing and I love how the chicken has turned out and the aroma too. So now it's time to serve our chicken. Wow, look at that chicken. This is amazing. So I'll add some extra sauce because why not? My chicken turns out so flavorful and so moist, and I love how it is looking. So I hope you all try out this recipe and please give this video a thumbs up. So see you on my next one and bye bye.